Hey guys, welcome back to Data Genius. Today we will solve one more Hackerrank SQL question, that is type of triangle. Before we begin, please make sure to hit like, share and subscribe to Data Genius. Now jump to the question. So understand the type, understand the question. Okay, first understand the demand of the question. So in this question we need to identify the type of the triangle. Type of the triangle based on the length of each side. Okay, so since childhood, we are studying that there are three types of triangle. First is equilateral, isosceles, then scalene. And if condition is not following any of the three, then that is not a triangle, not a triangle. Okay, so what it means of equilateral triangle? That means all the three sides of equal length, right? Isosceles means it is a triangle with two sides of equal length, right? And scalene is it is a triangle with three sides of different length. Okay, and not a triangle, the given value of ABC does not form a triangle. Okay, so the first three condition is easy to understand, but this is actually a bit difficult to understand. Okay, so now first let's theoretically focus on this one. Okay, then uh, the writing code will be very easy to understand. Okay, very simple. So when we could say that, yeah, this is not forming any triangle, there are first, when any of the three sides of triangle is less than or equal to 0, that means if a less than equal to 0, okay, or b less than equal to 0, or c less than equal to 0. Okay, in this case this is not forming a triangle, right? Second case is, if you remember, the sum of two sides. Okay, sum of two sides should be less than or equal to third side. Okay, so we have to write for all three sides, like p plus c should be less than equal to a. Okay, or a plus c should be less than equal to b. Okay, so above two condition, if any, if not following, then that means that is not a type of triangle. Okay, so let's start. Select uh, okay, or let's understand this one. Okay, first let's understand the input. So here is given 20 20 23, that means here see two sides are equal. Okay, so this is isosceles triangle. Okay, second input is 20 20 20, that means all three sides are equal, that means equilateral. Third one is 20 21 22. Okay, so all three sides are having different length, that means scalene. And this one 13 14 and 30, this is not forming a triangle, because here is 13 plus 14 is 27. 27 is less than equal to, sorry, less than 30. Okay, so this is coming inside second condition. Okay, which I have just explained this one here. Okay, so let's start. So how we can achieve this solution? Okay, so kind of, if you remember, this is kind of if and else statement. Okay, so in SQL, if and else is case when. Okay, case when, I'll just copy this one. Okay, without wasting any time, I'll just copy. Okay, then not a triangle, right? So I'll copy because it may cause some typo. So for, okay, when, okay, just I'm copying this one because I'll copy the second statement from here. Okay, okay, so not a triangle. Now writing for equilateral. Equilateral means all three sides are equal, that means a equal to b and b equal to c. You can write a equal to c as well, that will not affect anything. Okay, then equilateral, right? Equilateral. When, now I'm writing for isosceles. Isosceles means any two sides. Okay, any two sides will be equal, that means a equal to b, or b equal to c, or c equal to a, then isosceles, right? Then isosceles. Okay, and if the triangle is not following any of the above condition, like above four, that means that is a scalene. We can write simple like else a scalene, else a scalene. You can write case when also, like case when a is not equal to b and b is not equal to c and c is not equal to a, that will run properly. But why we should write? Okay, from What is the name of the triangle? A is table is triangle. Okay, so let's run and let's see if we get correct answer or not. Okay, here is from syntax keyword. Okay, so we have to write end as. Let's see, here is type of triangle. Okay, triangle. Okay, see, the test case is passed. Okay, one test case that is passed, so let's submit the code. Yeah, so if you have any other approach, please comment down in the comment section. I'll put DDL command um, into the description box, as well as the original link, like this link, into the description box, so that you can solve by your own before. Okay, so thank you for your time. We will meet soon. Thank you. Bye bye.